Now we're going to look at Rhiannon by Fleetwood Mac, and this one, we're starting off... So we're starting off on an A minor idea, plucking the 5th string, and the 5th string, we've got this consistent bass line like this. So that's what takes a little while to get used to, is keeping this going while playing this. So what are we doing there? We're playing 1 and 2 on the 2nd and 3rd strings, moving up 3 and 4, then playing 5s, then we're going to go backwards. Open, and then we're going to 2 and 2 on the 3rd and 4th strings. So we're just outlining an A minor chord down here. So we have, along with that bass line. So when I teach this, I try and get people to think about when they're separate and when they come together. So when I first start playing, they're together. But from there on, until we get here, now they're together again. So I have... So you have to get used to being able to move back and forth. Together, and then together. Now they're off again. So right there we're playing over this F, and again we have this bass line on the F, and up here we're playing 3 and 2 on the 3rd and 4th strings, and then open 2nd and 3rd, back to here, which we've done before. That's the bottom of the A minor there. So not hard to play on its own, but you have to add that. So where do they line up? Well, they line up at the beginning. And then the 2 that you do like this quick, it's the first one of those. Right here, and then they're separate again. So that's a great way of trying to learn how to play that.